Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on exiting a parallel parking spot. This is a very simple driving lesson, and I'll be going over the basics of getting out of a parallel parking spot that you are currently parked in. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to turn the camera around. As you can see right here, I am behind this car. I am parallel parked behind this car. There's actually no car behind me, as you can see. However, we're going to imagine that there is a car behind me. So this is the very simple process for exiting a parallel parking spot. Step number one is you want to put the car in reverse. And I'm just going to release the parking brake, and you want to reverse as far back as you can to gain as much space as you can. So I'm going to reverse backwards, and we're just going to imagine, like I said, that there is a car behind me, right? So we're going to imagine that right about here I stopped, I came to a complete stop, and there's a car like right behind me. And as you're reversing, you want to make sure to check your mirrors and look all around the car and so forth. You don't just want to go backwards, always check your mirrors and look all around the car. Now the next thing that you want to do, shift into drive. So now I'm in drive. You also want to signal left, and that lets every other driver around you know that you plan on, getting out of this parking spot. Then you want to check your mirrors and I like to check both my blind spots. Some people will only say to check your left one because you're going left, but I like to check both of them simply because I'm leaving a parking spot. So I've checked my left blind spot. Now that I know that it's safe to proceed, you're actually going to take your steering wheel. You're going to turn it as much as you need to. Now you might want to turn it all the way. So I'm going to start off by turning it all the way to the left, and then I'm going to release the brake pedal. I'm going to move forward, and now I'm going to straighten the wheel out just like that, and I'm driving down the road. Just like that. That's how to exit a parallel parking spot. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just park behind this car over here. We're going to once again imagine that we're parallel parked behind this car, just like this. So I'm going to get really close. We're just going to pretend we're really parallel parked here. So we're imagining that we're parallel parked behind this car. Like I said, there's obviously no car behind me, but we're going to imagine that there is. If I want to exit the spot, I'm going to start off by putting the car in reverse, releasing the parking brake, moving backwards with the wheel nice and straight. So moving straight backwards. Some people like to turn the wheel. I don't like to. Just move straight backwards. Come to complete stop right before you don't want to hit the car behind you. There's obviously no car behind me, but you wouldn't want to hit the car behind you. Come to complete stop. Put it in drive. Signal left. Check all of your mirrors. Check your blind spots. Very simple. When you see that it's clear and safe to proceed, steer all the way to the left. Release the brake pedal. And then as you clear the car in front of you, you can straighten out, and then I'm steering right to just sort of straighten out again and drive down the street. And that's it. That is how to exit a parallel parking spot. This has been a very simple tutorial. I've gone over the basics. Now it's also important to remember to always check all around and always signal, check your blind spots, look in your mirrors, do everything that you need to do to ensure that you are moving the car safely on the road. And that's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.